Hey guys, it's Louis back for another video, and today we will be doing a video about my about my never have I ever challenge with my friend Jazz. We did it yesterday. Go check it out. I'll put in the link in the description. And yeah, so that's what we're gonna be doing. And yes, and go check out Leon Green's channel, and go check out no one else. I'm in my mum's room. I'm in my mum's room. Sleep. And I was just eating and watching YouTube. So yeah, that's what I've been doing today. So comment down below which challenge we should do next. A challenge that we should do next. Okay. So yeah. Bye.